So my name is Artūras. I'm a web engineer here at Vinted, and I've been working at the company for a little over a year now. Before I joined the Vinted Engineering Academy, I was working as an interpreter or translator for a company that provides translation services for various different institutions such as medical facilities, banks, insurance companies, and whatnot. So the reason why I decided to make this career change is because I had always been interested in the software engineering career field, but I never felt like I had enough confidence up until the point where I told myself that if I wasn't gonna start now, then was I ever going to start? And yeah, that's basically when I decided to start learning, and I also joined a coding bootcamp to sort of accelerate my learning process. Yeah, so the reason why I applied for the Vinted Engineering Academy is because as I was finishing with my coding bootcamp, I started thinking about potential job opportunities, and that's when my friend recommended me this listing at Vinted with the Engineering Academy. And at first I thought to myself, what is the Vinted Engineering Academy? And then I started looking into it. I started reading through the description and watching YouTube videos, and I realized that it was a perfect opportunity for someone like me, someone who had just finished studying but didn't have enough professional experience. And that's when I realized that it was a perfect way to kickstart my career, essentially. Oh, the selection process was very interesting and engaging, I would say. It consisted of 3 parts, and I remember I liked the second part the most. It was the technical homework assignment. I remember it was really fun to do. They gave us about a week to complete it, and it was just a blast. I spent the entire week coding it, and I went the extra mile. I encoded a bunch of extra features, and it was just a really nice way for me to test my abilities and to also learn a lot. Yeah, I remember when I first came in on the first day, it felt like I was going back to school, but except this time it was actually like all of my classes were interesting and relevant to what I was doing at the time, programming. And it was just a really nice atmosphere. All of my fellow Academy members were all like-minded individuals. And I made a bunch of new friends, and we were assigned mentors who helped us go through this whole process and learn. It was just amazing, honestly. It feels like people are very involved, and it feels like there's this whole sense of community, and it's just really nice being a part of this community. Well, I can't say that there's just this one particular thing that stands out. I would name at least 3 things. The first one would be my current team. Just an amazing bunch of people. Really like working with them every day. Yeah, I just really like coming to a job that I actually love doing every day. And of course, I have to mention the cafeteria. The food here is amazing. I guess be confident in your abilities, and if you see that there are areas in which you lack confidence, you should focus on those areas and improve in them, and just try to be better every single day. And I guess that's how you'll be able to stand out